Many people like to invest in stock market to earn money. In order to invest our hard-earned money in stock market, we should have a reliable platform or a broker. Here in this video, I will explain you about how to open a trading Demat account with one of the top brokers in India. It is none other than Zerodha. Zerodha has established itself as a leading stock broker in India. The benefits of having Zerodha is real-time and fast fund transfer from bank account to trading account and vice versa. No upper limit cap for fund transfers, and it's very user-friendly. Let's see the step-by-step process for opening a Demat account with Zerodha. Before starting the process, make sure you have the below documents handy and ready with you. And the documents required are PAN card, a soft copy, signature, a soft copy, bank passbook first page, a soft copy, Aadhaar card, your active phone number, and a blank white paper and a pen. The account opening for Zerodha is a 7-step easy process. And now let's see the process of opening an account in Zerodha. Firstly, click on the account opening link which I have provided in the video description below. Just go to the description below and there you'll find an account opening link, and please click on the link. Now this link will redirect you to the account opening page. First step to start your application process is you have to provide your active 10-digit phone number. Now you will receive an OTP to the phone number which you have just entered. Punch in the OTP you have received to your phone number. Here you have to select the trading segments you require, or you can select all the options provided here. The fee will remain the same for all the segments or any segment if required particularly. Select the payment method, whether you want to pay by UPI or net banking. I have selected UPI, and now I will give the UPI ID here. It takes few seconds to complete the UPI payment. Here in this page, you have to provide the bank details. Provide the branch IFSC code, and it will automatically populate the MCIR code and account address. After this, please provide the bank account number and then continue. Come below and select all the checkboxes related to the terms and conditions and then click continue. Next step is a webcam verification. Here you have to give your live photograph with the 4-digit code displayed on your computer or phone. Please write the code on a piece of paper and hold it in front of the camera as shown in the image and click capture. Here, click on allow to use the webcam to capture the photo. Make sure you do not move from the position immediately after capturing, as it takes few seconds to capture your full photograph. Now you have to upload your documents. Firstly, here it states to upload copy of cancelled check or statement. You can also upload your bank first page which has all the details. Now I'm going to upload my bank first page here. Secondly, you have to upload your income proof like bank statement or salary slips, and this is only required if you want to trade in future and options segment, or else it's optional. Thirdly, upload your signature soft copy. Finally, upload your PAN card soft copy and click Continue. Last step is your digital sign or electronic signature. Click on e-sign and check all the terms and conditions and proceed. Finally, you have to provide your Aadhaar number and you will receive an OTP to the Aadhaar linked phone number. Type your OTP here, which you have received to your Aadhaar linked phone number. This page shows the complete application form you have filled in. Please check all your information here. And in this page, once again, it will ask to provide the Aadhaar card number. And again, you have to enter the OTP received to the Aadhaar linked phone number. And finally, finish. And now you will see the congratulations page once you successfully complete the application process. Thanks for watching the video. Please share and subscribe.